What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Drip-SNKRS back with another YouTube video. Today I will be unboxing these DHK dunks. I will have all the info in the description and in my channel link tree. So just check them out. Just click on the link tree and click on the dunks. And that's pretty much it. So let's unbox the shoe. Okay, so this is the box that we met with right here. It is a Jordan 1 box right here. So if I put it in a bigger box, so the box would have no flaws and it wouldn't be hurt or damaged on the way. So I really appreciated that. So I'll just take the box out. So this is a Jordan box. Let's put it to the side. Of course, this is the Nike SB box. Those look perfect. I will have this in display in my room. Everything looks perfect with the box. Let's take it out, and this is the Nike dunks that we're met with right here. Here it is. Let's just pull it out the bag. So this is the first dunk that we're met with right here. This is a Nike Dunk SB. The shoe looks really good all over. As you can see right here, the Nike is pink. The plaid on it is really good. It's like a darkish, almost blue to black. Feel the tongue, SB right there. Very chunky. Might be missing a little bit of fluff, but that's okay. And then, of course, the rope laces. Cactus Jack tongue, toe box. Pops up right away. This is the inside of the shoe. Looks pretty great. Of course, size 9.5. Here's a nice and cream sole. Looks great, and it came with these cream laces that are not rope, which is great. The shoe, I'm pretty sure the shoe is really good rep. Almost 1-to-1, if not, it is 1-to-1. Everything does look perfect, and the whole shoe is just a solid build, like you can't really squish it. So it is a great shoe. Toe box test again, pops up right away. Pull out the other shoe. Pretty much the same thing. Shoe looks perfect, cream. And of course, toe box test pops up right away. Rope laces. I do really like this shoe because it's different and it has rope laces. Here's the insole. Of course, the cream on the bottom. I do really like this shoe. I do think it's a 1-to-1 rep. So I do recommend you guys to go check them out. Great rep in my opinion. And moving on, we have the box right here. The box looks pretty great. Everything does look 1-to-1 on the box. Really matches the shoe, really matches everything. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and go check them out. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. See ya.